Hi, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, my name is Marlene, and today I'm going to give you an update tour in my backyard orchard. Finally, my husband, he finished built my raised bed. I love it, beautiful. And also I took some tree out and replaced with few new one. Over here, this is where I grow all my vegetable, and you see right there, that's the orange. It's called tangelo, honey tangelo. And right here is where my figs is called Miss Figgy, and this is another tangelo. And on this side here to my right, this is an orange, the orange tree, and called Washington navel. Washington navel was supposed to be really like seedless, not too much seed, and I got a lot of fruit this year, and they'll probably be ready to pick sometime maybe March. And one thing about the orange tree, you don't have to pick them all at one time. You just pick them when you want to eat them. And sometimes I using also for my cooking, like sometimes I bake my chicken. I use this, stuff it inside my chicken. And over here on this side, this is another guava tree, and look at that. See how big this one is? Normally this right here is sometimes it's twice bigger than my palm, twice bigger than this one. But this year kind of cold and it's not as big, but maybe next year. And today I'm going to visit my son and my daughter, and I'm going to get some of them for them because my daughter Katie, she loves guava. Show you. Look at that. See? So I'm gonna just pick them some guava. Look at how big they are, isn't it? Look at that. Sorry. Keep moving. Wow. There. I picked some more. I'll show you. Anyway. And here is all my camellia. I grow a lot of camellia because when it's fall and winter, you get the flower, the blooming during that time of the year when the rest of the spring flower is in dormant or whatever. And my goal is to enjoy the flower all year round and cutting for inside my house. And this one right here is the tangerine. It's called Dancy, and I got a lot of fruit also this year. It's a good year for my fruit tree, even the flower, because we got a lot of rain the beginning of the year, and all the fruit tree and the flower doing real good. Because normally we don't get a lot of rain here where we live in Southern California, especially where I'm at. And so this is a lot. Wait until they turn orange. Oh my goodness. They look like an ornament tree. And this is another camellia tree over here. And down here is where all my orchid, cymbidium, and I didn't really get a chance to care for them, and which I need to because I was so busy with everything else. And I split the bulb about a year ago, and now it's not really growing. Probably at least I had to wait 2 years to get some flower because just split them a year ago. But I have one shoot here. See it? That's my cymbidium. Another one over here. Oh, I can't wait to see it. And one more right here. Yeah, but hopefully next year I'm gonna get a lot. And also I grow a lot of succulent because it's easy to care for. Yeah, see that? Okay, on this side here, it's right here. This is my what you call pear, and they have, have 4 different types. Yeah, on this plumeria, more camellia, and one thing about camellia, and also, camellia is easy to care for, and especially plumeria is drought tolerant and it's easy to grow, and it's perfect for where I live. And over here I have 2 pomegranate tree. On this side right here is Eversweet. I only get the fruit in the past 5 to 6 years. I only get like 5 or 6 fruit, and that's it. And all the flower is a male flower, it's not female flower. And I asked my husband to take it out. I feel really sad, but I had to take it out because it's not worth it for me to grow, to have a fruit tree which I cannot get fruit out of it. And also the tree is a very fast growing tree. One thing about pomegranate tree, and if I don't prune them every year, it will grow over 30 feet. And now I tried this something new. I'm excited. My husband put this down for me. It called wax apple. In my country, we call jumbo. And this is tropical fruit tree. So I'm keeping my finger crossed that it will do fine here because not as cold where back east up north. So and I think it's going to be okay. And this variety called Malay apple. And yeah, it's right. And I'm looking forward for the fruit. I don't know I will get it because I just put this down about 2 weeks ago. My husband put it down, so we'll see what happened. Okay, I now remember the name of this, my pomegranate. This one is Pavianca, and Pavianca is not as sweet as Eversweet, but it's sweet if you pick them when it's ready to pick, when it's ripe. And the fruit is big, and I have finished pruning my tree, and just like I said, it gives you this one give me a lot of fruit, and I'm happy with it. And this is another orange tree, another what you call it, Washington navel. And back on this side here, there you go, I have more cymbidium. I have no shoot. I have to feed them, and I have to focus on my cymbidium. And here, look at that, isn't that beautiful? And this is another guava, another different type of guava, and a lot is already ripe. And my friend was supposed to visit me this week, but she couldn't make it because her dog is sick, so she's coming next week. I'm saving some of them for her because she loves guava. Let me taste one of them. Let me show you. Let me see. I just need a small one. I don't want a big one. That's fine. You know why? Look at all these bruises, because we get the wind, and it got damaged by the wind. So these are the bruises, but it's okay though, Yeah, even though it doesn't look too beautiful, too pretty, but it's fine. Let me taste it. It's so sweet. It's really good. And I love growing succulent. So easy. And you just pinch them, and you want to grow some more, plant some more, just pinch them, put another pot. And a lot of time, just use it as a gift. It just grows so many. And this is another camellia. I like this one. I love this one. This is white. It's not blooming yet. And this is the pink one. Me personally, I never really pay attention to the name of the camellia. Just all kind of variety. All I know is camellia. Succulent. I think this one's so beautiful. Look at that. They look like flower. So easy to grow. more camellia right here, see? And on this side right here, this one is my grapefruit. It's called Oro Blanco. It's white and super sweet. And I have fruit last year, but very small, but it's sweet, delicious. And I think it struggled to grow. Maybe, you know, hopefully doing much better this spring. We'll see what happens. But it's very sweet. And I have one on the other side. I have fruit out of that one. I have 3 of them, and I will show you next time. And here on this one right here, I asked my husband, I have a tangerine fruit trees right here, but it's not doing well, it's dying, you know, and I asked my husband to take it out. And this is a new one that I asked my husband to put it down, to plant them, because my daughter Katie, she loves loquat. And this loquat, this variety called Big Jim, and supposed to be big. So it's the first time I grow loquat. I don't know what's it like. I'm really excited, looking forward. And also what I've been told that loquat root is very shallow, that I need to water them once a day until the root established, or else will die. And I will put the mulch around it, around the trunk of the tree, when I get a chance to go to the nursery. And this one right here is the what you call it, oh my goodness, God, what you call it, fix. Yeah, I moved from the other one over there where I grow my vegetable, because I need space for vegetable. It start to give shade, then I pull it out and put it in the pot instead. And here on this side, this is where I store all my pot and tomato cage. I want just nice and clean, and you know, it look beautiful for the garden. I don't want all clutter, and I like how it turned out. And I put Pomeria in the terracotta pot side by side. It will look beautiful when the tree is getting bigger and giving flowers. So it, you know, add the touch to it. And over here, this is my peach tree, and this two right here is the jujube, which I chop it off. I didn't show you how much food I have. It was a lot, but I was so disappointed because the bird ate them all, and I didn't want to film it. But I have to figure out how I'm going to do it next year without the bird eating all my jujube. And here is on this side my garden, and right here, I think this apple right here, I think it's called honey crisp. I think, I'm not sure, but anyway, this is my husband's favorite apple. He loved this one. This is his favorite. He don't want nobody to pick his apple. He just love it. I told him, well, next year gonna get bigger, you can share with everybody else, because that is his baby. Anyway, do you guys talk to your plant, to your tree? Cause I do. Anyway, and this one right here is another apple. It's a Fuji apple. And that one down, oh, okay, let me show you. That is my Oro Blanco right there. You see it? Right there. That's another one. Let me show you now. See right there. And yeah, this is a Fuji apple. And down here is Naked Lady, which is my dear friend Dolores gave it to me over a year ago, 2 years ago now, I believe. And hopefully I get a chance. I don't know what the flower look like. I'm looking forward. And I have a lot of blue salvia that I grow over here about maybe 3 months ago, maybe 2.5 months ago, and it's going to be a lot bigger when springtime's coming. And also it's going to be a lot what you call it, more flowers, the seed that I'm going to put in, you know, when it's springtime. And over here is my white sapote, which is my daughter Katie. She love it. And if you look at my old video, finally it start to grow. And I think this is like 3 years old already. And finally, look at that, I got a lot of flower. I'm so excited. So she can get the chance to have to eat the fruit. Look at that. Oh my God, where's it? Let me try to show you. Let me see. The fruit over here, down here. And yeah, so a lot of flower. And also I have the mums that I plant them also. It's small, but it will be next fall. It will growing big. Yep. And that's another naked lady. A lot of blue salvia, but it's going to be a lot of spring flower coming when the spring's coming. And it's another fig tree right here, which I've auto finished pruning, and it will be nice and full by spring. And all the tree already finished pruning. And over here, I'm going to show you this one. Those right here is the raised bed that my husband built. We refurbished the wood from my what you call compost bin. It's not working out here. The animal digging like crazy is not working out and look kind of cluttered over here. So we, he just refurbished all the wood, everything, and rebuilt the raised bed for me. And we used the leftover paint from our shed, and I just love it. It's so beautiful, and I love how it turned out. And this is what it looked like the inside. He put the sheet over here, and there's a lot of hole that he drilled on the bottom of the wood for drainage. And I will be planting a vegetable in a few weeks, depending on the weather. And so anyway, this is my raised bed my husband built, and I will give you a little more tour in the future on this side right here. And so this is where my beautiful raised bed, and my husband think I'm crazy because I told him I'm going to name my raised bed Lola, and there she is. Anyway, thank you for watching, and we'll just see you guys in my next video.